In this video, I am going to guide you through the steps to cancel your EpidemicSound free trial subscription. Before we proceed, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That will give us the motivation to make more videos like this. Many people often want to cancel their subscription to EpidemicSound to save costs and explore other music options, or due to changing content needs that require different styles of music not available in EpidemicSound's library. Sometimes users realize they wouldn't have enough time to fully utilize the platform right now. So let's dive directly into the procedure. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into the right account. This might sound obvious, but it can be an easy mistake to make. Sometimes users face some trouble with this, so double-check that you're using the account you signed up for the free trial with. Once you're logged in, head over to the main web page. Look for the icon with 3 dots, which typically signifies a menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on Account to proceed. Within the Account section, you'll find Manage Subscription. Click on this option to access your subscription settings. Scroll down the page, and you'll see the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. It's quite straightforward from here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. In addition to that, make sure to visit MediaMagnetGuide.com for a wealth of tutorials and resources covering various subjects.